fashion school doesn't teach you about freelancing. They also don't really teach you how to make a standout portfolio. The good news is that it's actually a lot simpler than you think. And with the strategies that I'm gonna share, you can bust yours out in one weekend. So, what do you need for a freelance fashion portfolio? Whether you have 0 or a zillion years of experience, there are 3 rules you need to follow to make sure brands wanna hire you. And these rules apply no matter your service. Flats or tech packs, textiles or design, TD or PD, you must follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1, the process portfolio. Brands don't want to just see the finished product. They want to know how you got there. Whether you're a pattern maker or a designer doing exclusively flats or tech packs, you have a process. Even if it's just 2 or 3 steps, give them a glimpse into your workflow so they understand how you got to the finished product. Rule 2 is what I call the portfolio golden rule. Use this as a litmus test for anything you put in your portfolio. If you can't say yes, then it doesn't belong. This is the portfolio golden rule. This project, collection, design, photo, whatever the thing is, it speaks to the client, tells them that I understand their brand, and visually shows them that I am the right person. I know it's hard to cull down all your amazing work from either years in the industry or all your school projects, but you have to edit. You should only be showing what's relevant to the types of brands that you want to work with and the service that you're offering. And pro tip, it's actually a really bad idea to say, but I want to work with any type of brand and I'm willing to offer any service. That's the fastest way to sabotage your freelance career, but that's a topic for another video. All right, it brings us to rule number 3, which is keep it concise. Most people think you need a massive portfolio, but you don't. The worst thing you can do is what I call portfolio vomit, where you just throw everything in there. Listen, brands are busy. They don't want to see everything you've ever done. All you need is 2 to 4 projects that follow the portfolio golden rule to show them that you're the right person. So that's it. Keep it concise, only show a couple projects and make sure they speak to the brand. You can get your portfolio done this weekend. And while your portfolio matters, it's only a small part of the process to become a successful fashion freelancer. If you want to know what else you need to do, I covered all in my free limited time training, 1 week to 1K. You'll land the 5 simple steps to land your first client without business skills or a network. Tap the button on the video or click the link below to get free instant access. Thanks for watching. I'm Heidi and I'm here to help you kick ass as a successful fashion freelancer. It is the only way I didn't burn out in the industry. Make sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up button if you like this video. So, what do you need to include? The worst thing Tap the button on the video or click the link below. The link